Hello foodies, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a recipe of tri-tip. So this is a cut of meat that is found from the bottom of the sirloin. This is a quick recipe, so let's start. Subscribe foodies. We're gonna preheat our oven to 425 degrees, and then here are our ingredients. We have butter, soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce, Cajun seasoning, lemon pepper, vinegar, garlic, and thyme. I recommend you getting Italian seasonings to give it more flavor. I did not have that in stock, so we're gonna use an alternative so we can get this going. So let's get started and preparing this meat. So we have the tri-tip. We're gonna start out with a little bit of avocado oil. Just enough to rub in the meat. This cut is a little dry. There is fat on top, but it doesn't render as much. So make sure you wash your meat. And then we're gonna go ahead and start with our oil, our butter, and we're gonna do liquids, and then we're gonna do our seasonings, our spices, because we want our spices to stay on our meats. So we're gonna put this all around. Let's get messy. So I'm gonna wash my hands. Okay, so now that we have our avocado oil, our butter in, we're gonna go ahead and do our soy sauce. So this is low sodium soy sauce. You can use regular soy sauce. Let's cover the whole thing. I'm using like soy sauce because I'm using already seasonings here, and they contain salt. So we're gonna do Worcestershire sauce. Don't be scared to add in the ingredients. A tiny bit of vinegar, maybe a cap, less than a cup. Now we're gonna add our seasonings. We're gonna throw in our Cajun. Don't be scared. Look at that. All that Cajun I'm adding in there. Don't be scared of the seasoning. I'm gonna do it back. Pepper, not so much, just a bit. Just depend on how lemony you want it. We're gonna add our thyme. Don't be scared, you guys. It's all about feeling the love. And we're gonna add our garlic powder, or you can add fresh garlic. Good amount of garlic there. Was that easy? That's all you need. That's it. So now that we put in our ingredients, you can add your vegetables on the side. You can add asparagus, potatoes. You can do rice. You can do mashed potato, gravy. You can do all those kinds of sides. Today's sides is gonna be asparagus and rice for my husband, for Mr. Foodie, and for me it's gonna be some tri-tip and some asparagus and onions. So I'm gonna add an onion on there. I love onion. And now that that's ready, we're gonna set the timer to 40 minutes, okay? Let's put this tri-tip in. It's going in, baby. Look how beautiful that tri-tip is. Wow. In it goes. How to make the best rice ever. So we have a pot here, it's really high. We're gonna add some oil. We're gonna have avocado oil. You can put 2 spoonfuls of oil. And then we're gonna do the measuring process. So this is my measuring. Throw in one of those. So we got 2. So now that you throw in 2, you're gonna add 4, so it's double. And then we're using jasmine rice like always. This is my favorite grain. So, and the rice, we're gonna go ahead and stir it. So we're looking for like a dark white. This is clear. So we're looking for a white color in the rice. Now that we added our water, we're gonna wait for it to boil. And then add our seasoning, our flavor. Then we're gonna use beef broth seasoning, consomme beef. You can do chicken, any other kind you like, and depending how salty you want it, you add to your rice. All right, now that it boiled, I'm gonna add my beef broth, and then we're gonna stir it. And then we're gonna cover it and set it to low. We're gonna give it about 15 minutes. We're gonna time it, and then we'll check on the rice. Looks like our roast beef is ready. I'm gonna set it up for a little bit more time. Put my onions in there. So I'm doing it medium well. Depending on how raw or how well done you want it, of course, it consumes more time. There you go. We left it in the oven for 40 minutes. We want it a little medium well. Look how beautiful it is. All the fat's up here, guys, and all the lean meat is down there. There's our results. We're gonna slice it up, serve it with our signature rice. So you combine two of those together, you have your beautiful dinner with your tri-tip, vegetables on the side with your rice. So thank you for watching, you guys. Make sure you share, subscribe, and comment down below. If you guys want me to do a recipe, let me know. Go ahead and share and let your friends know that you are starting to cook foodie moody style. Everyone's an awesome cook. You guys just put your head into it, put your mind into it. Everything is possible. How beautiful that is. Make sure you let the tri-tip rest for about 15 minutes. We want all those juices to stay within the meat. It's been 15 minutes and our rice is ready. See that? All the water's out. You can go ahead and remove it from the heat and let it rest, and it's ready for serving. Well, it's ready, guys. Look how delicious this roast came out, you guys. So delicious. Thank you for watching my video. Make sure you share, subscribe, turn on the bell for notification every time I make a delicious recipe for you guys. And thanks again. I love you, my foodies.